Hello students, welcome to Time online classes. Hope you are doing well. In this session, we will look at the questions from the topic ratio, proportion and variation. Please be ready with the handout and paper. So please be ready with the pen and the paper. Now look at the first slide. Let's start. Right. The questions used in this presentation are actual questions which have appeared in the recent SSC CGLE exams. Okay, students, they are the actual questions. Please remember. Okay, the copyright of these questions belongs to the body conducting SSC CGLE exam, combined graduate level exams. Okay. Now, just look at the first example on your screen. Try to answer the question. If A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, C is to B is equal to 5 is to 6, then find A is to B is to C. What is asking here? A is to B is to C is equal to. Okay. But students, please pause the video and try your own and then look at the solution. Here are the options given for you, the 4 options. Okay. Before attending the session, before listening the explanation, pause each and every question, pause for a few seconds and watch and try for yourself and then watch the video, continue the video. Okay. Now look at this one. Here ABC ratio to be found. So how to find the ABC ratio means now A is to B here, it is given as a 2 is to 3 and B is to C is equal to, here actually C is to B is given, B is to C means just inverse of it. What is the B is to C? It is 6 is to 5. What we need to find? ABC ratio. So what is the logic here? Simple logic. This is the best way to answer this question. What is the logic means? We need to make the values of the common element same in both the ratios. If you observe carefully, now in the first ratio, if you observe the value of B, it is 3 and in the second ratio, it is 6. Now when you multiply the first ratio with 2, we will get the value of B as 6. Means by making the values of the common element same in both the cases, we can multiply, we can find the combined ratio. Means multiplying here with 2. 2 times of 3 is equal to 6. 2 times of the antecedent. 2 times of 2 is equal to 4. And at 4 is to 6. 6 is to 5 is the ABC ratio. What is the correct answer? Right choice. It is a option 1. Okay. By making the values of the common element same in both the ratios, we can find the combined ratio. Now what is that? 4 is to 6 is to 5 is the ratio. Please note the solution and mark the right choice. Shall we move to the next example? Right, look at the next example on your screen. My dear students, please collect the data. Find what you need to. Okay, just capture the data and find what you need to do. Okay, am I clear? Look at the question carefully. What is the ratio of the mean proportional between 4.8 and 10.8 and the third proportional to 0.4 to 2.4? Okay, we need to find the ratio of the mean proportional between these two proportional to the third proportional of this. Okay, please try this question. I will wait for a couple of seconds. Please solve this example. Okay, now what we need to find the mean proportional of 4.8 and 10.8. Now what is the discussion here? A is to B is as to B is to C. It is called as continued proportion. Here 4.8 is to B is as to B is to 10.8. What is the basic formula in the ratio and proportion? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. AC is equal to B square. Similarly, here when you multiply these two, we get B square. B square is equal to 4.8 into 10.8. Okay, my dear students, 4.8 means 4 into 1.2. Here it is a 9 into 1.2. I am expressing as a product of two numbers in which one is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square here, and in this 9 is a perfect square. So what is the value of B means 1.2 appear 2 times, so 1.2 and 36 square root is equal to 6. Simplify, result 72. So what is that? Mean proportional, it is 7.2. Now we need to find the ratio of the mean proportional with respect to third proportional of this. So what is the third proportional here? 0.4 is to 2.4 is as to 2.4. 2.4 is to question mark. Okay. So what is the formula here? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. 0.4 into x is equal to 2.4 into 2.4. Simplify this 0.4, it goes exactly 6 times. The value of x, it is a 6 into 2.4. 6 into 24 is equal to 144. So the result is 14.4. So what we need to find? The ratio of 7.2 and 14.4. So what is the cancellation? It goes 2 times. So the ratio here, it is a option 3. Right choice is option 3. Okay. Now look at the next example. Please note the solution here and try the next example on your. Done? Yes. Now look at the next question on your screen. If A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3, then 8A minus 5B is to 8A plus 5B is equal to. Yes, my dear students. Please pause the video. Try by your own and then watch the solution. Okay. What is the data? A is to B is given as 5 is to 3. 5 is to 3 is a ratio, means what are the values of A and B? The value of A and B, it is a 5K and 3K. Substitute and simplify, you will get answer. Okay. Is it clear? If you observe this carefully, here power of the variable is 1, so need not to use a K, just directly substitute 5 and 3 and simplify. So in place of A, substitute 5. In place of B, substitute 3. 8 into 5, 40. 5 into 3, how much? 15. 40 minus 15 is 2. Now 8A means 40, 3B means 15. Now sum of these two. Now what is the simplification? 40 minus 15 is equal to 25. And whereas here, it is sum of these two is a 55. Now simplify, dividing with 5. Now 5 times, so 5 11 times. The value, the ratio, it is 5 is to 11. Right choice, option 4. Choice 4 is the right choice. Just you need to substitute the value of A as a 5 and B as a 3 and simplify. Okay. I'll move to the next example. Right, look at the next question on your screen. Yes, my dear students, read this question carefully and try to answer the question. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 8:15. Present ages of A and B is given here. 8 years ago, 8 years ago means 8 years back, the ratio of their ages was 6:13. What would be the ratio of the ages of A and B after 8 years from now? After 8 years means 8 years hence. Okay. Now simplify this. 8K and 15K are the present ages. Present ages of A and B, 8K and 15K. So here 8K and 15K. 8 years ago. 8 years ago means we need to subtract 8 from 8K as well as from 15K. Then the ratio will be, then what was the ratio? Ratio it was 6:13. Simplify this, you will get K value by doing cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, we get value of K. 8 into 13, 104. 6 into 15, it is a 90. The difference of these two, it is 14K. 13 into 8, it is 104. 6 into 15, 90. 104 and 90 difference is 14K. Now if you observe carefully, same value, same number is subtracted on either side, numerator as well as in the denominator. Hence you need to observe the difference of these two. So what is the difference in the ratio? 7. 7 into 8. Now of course 7 into 8 is a 56. Now it goes how many times means 14. 7 if you observe 2 times, 2 here 4 times. The value of K is equal to 4. So what do you need to find after 8 years? After 8 years, what will be the age of A and B? So 8K plus 8 and 15K plus 8. These are the values of A and B after 8 years. So K is equal to how much? K is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 means 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 8. 32 plus 8 is equal to 40. Now 15 into 4, it is a 60 plus 8, 68. Simplify this. 4 10 times and 4 17 times. Now the ratio of the ages of A and B after 8 years, it will be 10:17. 10:17 will be the ratio of A and B after 8 years when the present ages ratio is 8:15. And 8 years ago it was 6:13. Okay. Now just copy this one. Done. Right, look at the next example on your screen, question number 5. Yes, my dear students. Here are 4 options given along with the data. Look at the question carefully. Pick the relevant data and try to answer the question as early as possible. I will read the question for you. A sum of rupees X is divided among A, B and C such that the ratio of shares of A and B is 7:12. A and B 7:12 and that of B and C 8:5. If the difference in the shares of A and C is rupees 214, then the value of X is. Yes, my dear student, we need to find the value of X. Difference in the value of A and C is also given. B and C ratio as well as A and B ratio is given. Just you need to find the amount which was divided. Find the amount which was divided among A, B and C. Yes, please. Are you doing? Hope you are trying to solve this example. Done? Right. Now let me write the data here first. A and B. What is the ratio of A and B? A and B ratio, it is a 7:12. What about B and C? B and C is equal to 8:5. Yes, my dear students, find the combined ratio of A, B and C. How to find the ABC ratio means now just by making the values of the common element, that is B. How to make the common element is same in both the ratios means multiplying the first ratio with 2 and multiplying the second ratio with 3. Means 12 and 8 LCM is 24. I am trying to make these values for 24. So 2 times of 7 it is 14. 2 times of 12 it is 24. 3 times of 8 it is 24. 3 times of 5 it is 15. Combined ratio of A, B, C, it is 14, 24 and 15. Now what is given here? The difference in the shares of A and C is given here as a 214. Difference in the shares of A and C means if you observe the ratio wise difference. Ratio wise difference. What is the difference in the ratio? It is one part. That one part is equal to the difference in the amount wise. Amount wise is 214. Then find the value of X. My dear students, value of X means combined ratio, total ratio. Total ratio means 14 plus 15, 29 plus, yes, 24. How much it is? 53. So what is the value? 53. 53 parts is equal to question mark. Okay. So one part is equal to 214. 53 parts is equal to how much means just to multiply. On multiplying this you will get 11,342. 11,342. This is simplification. So already we discussed how to simplify in the previous sessions. So in the speed math sessions and etc. So just apply the same logics and concepts here. The value is 11342 is the value. One part is equal to 214. 53 parts is equal to, it is a 11342 is the value. Okay. Done? So we need to find the value of X by using the ratio of A and B as well as B and C. So first of all, need to find the ratio of A, B and C, combined ratio of A, B and C. Right? Yes, my dear students, now look at the next example on your screen, question number 6. Yes, please read the question carefully. It is one of the simple questions. These type of questions will give score in a less time. So you are supposed to do these questions first in the examination. Spend less time to answer these type of questions. Okay. Now what is given here? 5A minus 3B is to 4A minus 2B is equal to 2:3. Then A is to B is equal to. Yes, my dear students, please solve this example. I will wait for a couple of seconds. 5A minus 3B is to 4A minus 2B is equal to 2:3. Just find the ratio of A and B. A is to B is equal to 5A minus 3B, 4A minus 2B. The ratio of these two is given here, 2:3. The meaning of this. The meaning of this statement is A by B is equal to C by D. Now cross multiply this. We are doing cross multiplication. What is the result? 3 into 5, 15A. 2 into 4, 8A. 15A, 8A. 15A minus 8A. How much it is? It is a 7A. 3 into 3, 9B. 2 into 2, it is a 4B. 9B and 4B. How much? It is a 5B. 7 times of A is equal to 5 times of B. Now taking variables on one side and numbers other side. So what is the ratio of A and B? It is a 5:7. The right choice, it is option 4. Fourth choice is the right choice. Clear? What is the discussion? A is to B is equal to C is to D. Simplify. Just by doing cross multiplication, you will get the A is to B. The right choice is option 4. Right. Done with this? Now look at the next example on your screen. Question number 7. Yes, my dear students. Please read the question carefully and collect the data. And try to answer the question as early as possible. Try to answer the question as early as possible. Now I will wait for a few seconds. The ratio of the ages of A and B 4 years ago was 4:5. 8 years from now, the ratio of the ages of A and B will be 11:13. What is the sum of their present ages? Sum of their present ages. Okay. Yes, please. Now simplify this. Ratio of the ages of A and B. 4 years ago, it was 4:5. 4:5, 4 years ago. So 4K and 5K. How many years ago? 4 years ago. What we need to find? Sum of their present ages. Of course, additionally, here some data is given. Just look at the data and try to solve this. 4 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 4:5. 8 years from now means after 8 years. It will be 11:13. Then the sum of the present ages. Okay. Sum of the present ages means 4K and 5K are the ages 4 years ago. When you add these two, you will get the sum of their ages 4 years ago. But what is saying here? Present ages. Present ages means you need to add 4 to the 4K and 4 to the 5K. Means 5K plus 4K, 9K. 4 plus 4, it is 8. This is to be found. What to find here? The present ages, sum of the present ages, A and B. Right, now what is the discussion? 4K and 5K. These are the ages. How many years ago? 4 years ago. Present ages means just add 4 years. For example, 4 years ago my age was 10 years. Don't take it to heart, just I am giving example. 4 years ago my age was 10 years. What is my present age? 10 plus 4, 14. Similarly, 4K plus 4, 5K plus 4. Now, what is the continuation here? 8 years after means 8 years from now means just add 8 more. Then the ratio of their ages will be 11:13. 11:13 will be the ratio. Cross multiply, find out the value of K, substitute here, you will get answer for this question. But in cross multiplication, 13 into 4, how much? Yes, you are right, 52. 52K. 5 into 11, 55K. The difference of these two, it is a 3K. Yes or no? 3K is equal to how much? My dear friends, if you observe carefully, 4 plus 8 is added on either side. 4 plus 8 is added, means 12 is added. Same number is added, hence observe the difference in the ratio. Difference in the ratio is 2. So 2 into 12. 2 into 12 means 24. The value of K, it is 8. Okay. So what is the meaning here? K is equal to 8 means 9 in times of 8 plus 8 means 10 times of 8. 10 times of 8 means 80. The value is choice. 80 years means option 1. What is the discussion? 9K means K is equal to 8. 9 times of 8 plus 1 more 8 means 10 times of 8. 10 times of 8, 80. So right choice, option 1. First choice is the right choice. Okay. Clear? So 9K plus 8. 9 into 8 plus 8. 72 plus 8 it is. So don't write more steps here. It's a waste of time. So try to answer the question as early as possible just by doing simple calculations. So let's move to the next example. Yes, look at the next example on your screen. Question number 8. Yes, my dear students, please look at this example. If x is added to each of 12, 28, 21 and 45. If x is added to each of the numbers so obtained in this order or in the proportion. What is the mean proportional between x plus 3 and 4x plus 1? Yes, my dear students, I will wait for a couple of seconds. Please, you just try this example. Already we did the same type of question in the one of the videos in a detailed manner. Okay. If you have missed that one means please do watch that video. Right, look at this data and try to answer this. Okay, what is saying here? X is added to each of the numbers means now just add x to the first proportional, second, third and the fourth. Then they are in the proportion. Means 12 plus x is 12 plus x is to 28 plus x is as to 21 plus x is to 45 plus x. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now what is the discussion here? Product of extremes is equal to product of means. You can apply that one, or else you can write the same thing like this. Now 12 plus x into 45 plus x is equal to 28 plus x into 21 plus x. Now just multiply and simplify this. X square get cancel, and by taking variables on one side and numbers on the other side, on simplification you will get 8x is equal to 48. 8x is equal to 48 means the value of x is equal to 6. Simplification you can do. Okay. Actually you are supposed to do the simplification. Okay, just simplify this. Multiply this 12 into 45, 12 into x, x into 45, x into x. Of course, x square get cancelled by taking variables on one side, numbers on the other side. You will get 8x as a 48. X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 means substitute here and find the mean proportional. Mean proportional means A is to B is as to B is to C. When x is equal to 6, just substitute here 6 plus 3, 9 is to B is as to B is to. Now when you substitute here 6 into 4, 24 plus 1, 25. So product of extremes is equal to product of means by applying the formula. So B square is equal to 9 into 25. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 25 is 5. The product of these two is equal to 15. The right choice is option 1. Option 1 is the right choice. What is the discussion here? Just by adding x to the each proportional, and we are observing the ratio. So we are observing the concept here. What is the concept here? Proportion. They are said to be in proportion. When you are adding x, the each value, the values are in the proportion. So what is the proportion here? A is to B, A is to B is as to B is to C. Means equality of two ratios. Okay. The right choice is 15. Yes, my dear students, this is the completion of today's session. Please practice all these examples thoroughly and please watch time videos for better score. Have a nice day. Thank you.